Luli. Inside this little home, a little puppy happily roams.
With every hour he grows some more, and we all call him Sunny.
Sunny, 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 hey. Around the world, Sunny has been, sunny, sunny, and asks questions of what he has seen. Sunny, sunny. With every hour he grows some more,
And we all call him Sunny.
sunny, sunny, hey. Sunny. Sunny is waiting for his mom to come home from work.
Oh, have some more water, Sunny.
Where's Mommy?
Mommy will be back soon. Yes, soon she will be back. In, let's see, 5 minutes exactly.
Ruff, ruff.
You know what? I have an idea.
Huh?
Let's play a game. While we wait, we'll play the clock game.
Huh? The clock game?
I'll teach you the clock game. What does a clock do, Sunny?
Tick-tock, tick-tock.
Right. Very good. Tick-tock, 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 tick-tock. Tick-tock, I'm a clock.
Tick-tock,
Tick
my dad's a
tock,
clock.
tick-tock. Yes, I'm a clock. Tick-tock, tick-tock. You know what? I'm a clock. I'm going to hide, and Sunny will find
Yes,
me.
yes. Ruff.
Great. Close your eyes and listen well. Tick-tock, tick-tock. It's so fun to be a clock. Tick-tock, tick-tock. It's so fun to be a clock. Where shall I hide? Over here. Okay, Sunny, come and find me. Tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Sunny, where is the clock? Tick-tock, 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 tock.
Hey, I found you!
Hey! Oh, my sweetie! Sunny, Sunny, Sunny! Hey! Now you can be the clock, and
Me.
I'll look for you. Here, I'll close my eyes, and you go hide.
Tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock.
Go, Sunny! I'll close my eyes, and you hide.
Tick-tock, 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 tick-tock.
Did you hide yet?
Yes. Tick-tock, tick-tock.
Where is that little clock? I wonder where he's hiding.
Tick-tock, tick-tock.
Little clock,
Yes.
do I hear you ticking?
Tick-tock, tick-tock.
I hear you. That little clock is ticking.
Tick-tock, tick.
Little clock, where are you? Oh, here you are, little clock. Oh, my sweetie. Oh, I'm thirsty. I'll go get us more water.
Okay. Ruff, ruff. Tick-tock, tick-tock. It's so fun to be a clock. Tick-tock, tick-tock.
Sunny, I'm home.
Mommy, mommy, mommy.
Oh, my sweetheart. I was a little late today. My clock didn't work. I'm sorry.
Tick-tock, tick-tock, tick.
What's
tock.
this? Sunny, are you a clock?
Tick-tock, I'm a clock.
You're a clock? That's great. So come be my clock.
Tick-tock, tick-tock, I'm a clock.
Tock, tick tock. Sunny will be Mommy's clock. And from now on, she'll always come home on time. It's so fun to be a clock.